Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is flying. Okay, after the market opening, okay, there was a little consolidation on the chart of gold, and after that, okay, we saw a humongous rally on gold, and you can see right now while recording the video, gold is trading above 3800, and as we all know, okay, that gold is full of surprises. Okay, obviously, okay, technically or from technical point of view, there should be a retracement, but if gold decides to party, then nothing can stop it, and we have seen it in the last couple of weeks and years that gold is okay. Gold doesn't listen to anyone. Okay, anyways, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and right now there is no doubt that the trend of the market is super bullish. So respecting the ongoing trend of the market, we need to look for positions. If you're already are a part of the free Telegram community, then you must know, okay, what are the trading opportunities. If you're still not a part, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Anyways, those who are wondering why gold is so bullish, okay, then the answer is here. Gold edges higher on Fed rate cut bets. Gold prices edged to around 3770 per ounce on Monday, just shy of the record high touch last week, supported by expectations of further US rate cuts and a weaker dollar. If you don't know, that dollar index is under pressure. Okay, that is reason number one, and the second reason is market is expecting rate cuts. So these two reasons, okay, are making gold fly. Obviously, I know that, okay, these reasons are not that strong, okay, to make gold fly towards 3800, 3900, but market is bullish, okay, and we cannot help it. As a retail trader, following the trend of the market is the only solution for us. Obviously, at one point, there will be correction, there will be a trend reversal, but the problem is that nobody knows whether gold is going to reverse from 3900, 4000, okay, or gold is going to reverse from the current level. So as long as gold is bullish, okay, we need to follow the trend of the market. That's it. When there will be a reversal, obviously we need to sit on the sell side, but as of now we need to look for buy positions only. So in a market condition like this, okay, buy at retracement is the best solution or the best trading strategy. But as I have already mentioned on Telegram also, that in this chart of gold, okay, the best levels are far away. For example, the best level of 3700 is far away. Then we have a support around 3720, that is also far away, and chances of market going to these levels are very less. So where do we have immediate strong support? The immediate strong support on the chart of gold is around 3752 to 3704, and the black line here. And right now 3752 also seems to be far away from the current market price. In case during the US session market comes down for correction, deeper retracement, then we can look for support around this, but otherwise chances of market coming down to this level is very less. So we can look for some immediate support around 3790, 3788. Okay, this is the level where you can look for some immediate support, or you can also say 89287. Why? The green line, you can see the green line here, my reference. The green line, same logic, the previous resistance will be working as support. So if market comes down, then obviously we can look for some support around this area, as we can clearly say that this is not a major level. But in a market condition like this, okay, most of the minor levels also work. So 3750 is undoubtedly a better level, but it's far away. So the green line around 378987, okay, we can look for some support. But right now market is trading above 3800. Okay, so if you have failed to enter at breakout, then you can wait for the market to come down for retracement. Means 3800, 3799 is also the new support, or you can say that this is the support one on the chart of gold. So after some pullback, okay, obviously market will come down, then we can look for some support around 3800, 3799. If market takes support around 3800, 3799, we can enter there also. But right now, okay, there is no buy at breakout here because market is standing at the top. So where is the support number one? Support number one is the dotted line here, 3799, 3800 is the first support where we can look for a buy. Then we have a support around 378987. Okay, so these are the two immediate levels on the chart of gold where we can look for buy at retracement. And if market surprises us, then we can look for buy around 375249. And if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the free Telegram community. Okay. So these are the buy and retracement opportunities on the chart of gold. And right now, if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position with trailing stop loss. Yes, do not forget to trail your stop loss. Or if you have a buy without stop loss, then please put a stop loss, because if trend reversal comes or a correction comes, it's going to be a massive one, because gold is standing at the peak right now, and if it falls, then it's going to be a very fast move. So better trail your stop loss, put a stop loss. It depends on you. Okay, if you want to put a stop loss at 3750, that will do. If you want to put a stop loss at 3770, it's up to you. It depends on your position. So again, I'm repeating, the trend of the market is bullish. So as of now, following the and respecting the ongoing trend of the market, we are looking for buy at dip. 50 is far away, so we are looking for immediate support around 8890. 8987, and we are looking for support around 3800, 3799. And during the day, okay, for example, during the European session, if you see the market is in consolidation, market is trading in a range, then you can just draw a line like this. Okay, you can just draw a line like this, and when market will break the range, then you can buy at breakout. Because right now, okay, I cannot discuss the breakout level because market is okay trading at the all-time high while recording the video. We need some consolidation. When market will break the consolidation, then we can buy. And as of now, we do not have any indication for trend reversal here, so I'm not suggesting any sell positions. If market sentiment changes during the US session, that's a different story. But at the time of recording the video, market is super bullish. So respecting the trend of the market, we are looking for buy positions only, and especially buy at retracement. Okay, and if you have any buy, hold your buy with trailing stop loss. Do not trade without stop loss, because at all-time high, okay, things are very fragile. When market will drop, market will come down for correction, it will be very much volatile. Okay, you may not get time to exit. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.